Hey guys, today we have another great product to review. We have a soft video light kit.
A soft video light kit made by Raleno. A nice soft light for our video productions. Go ahead and carefully unbox that, Annalisa. Alright. I was hoping it would have a carry case. Raleno. Great name in photography products. We've reviewed several Raleno products. Turn that around this way, Annalisa. Let's see that Raleno name. Alright. Undo the Velcro on the strap. I'm glad it has a carry case. That's going to make things so much neater and easier if we travel. Go ahead. Open that. I see we have a manual. Looks like a soft box. Couple of stands, a power cord, oh, a couple of adapters. What are the adapters? That's for the power. Okay, what else you got? Pull them out of the plastic. Okay, so that will fit on the tripod, I guess. It looks like it could also fit on a hot shoe mount.
We have two of them?
Two of those, yeah, one for each light. There's two lights that come in the kit. Tripod stands. Alright, nice and solid. Okay, open up one of the panels there. Alright, let me see the back. Turn that around. So it has a digital display, and we will go ahead and let's move this table out of the way. Let's set up our lights and do a complete review of these. Okay, so to set up the tripod, just pull the legs out, loosen the knob right here, and bring that down like that. Tighten it in place. And then there's three different sections. Just simply loosen it, raise it up, and tighten it. And the Raleno light kit comes with two battery chargers, one for each light. The lights have a built-in battery, which is great, so we can use these outdoors, which I'm very excited about. And it takes about 2 hours to completely charge up the lights, but they last for 1.5 hours. So I have the two video soft lights all set up on their tripods. One of them is connected with the hot shoe mount, and one of them is screwed directly into the tripod. I have the video lights set to about 50% of their output light power, and this one over here is set to a daylight temperature of 5600 Kelvin degrees, and over here this one is a warmer temperature of 3200 K. Now, depending on what your light needs are, we usually shoot daylight 5600, and we might use this for highlighting like hair and stuff to give it a little warmer temperature. And this might help if we're shooting outdoors, especially when it's getting near dusk, if we want an extra video light. So the tripods are made out of aluminum alloy, so they're very lightweight, yet they're strong. They have a maximum height of 74.8 inches or 170 centimeters. So this light is on the hot shoe mount. Now the advantage of having it on the hot shoe mount is you can adjust the angle. And since the light is lightweight and has a hot shoe mount, this can be used on your DSLR camera or cinema camera for your lighting needs. So on the back of your Raleno light, I'm going to go ahead and peel this plastic off here. You have your power switch right here, and on the back it has a digital display, shows the light intensity. We're at 54%, 3200 Kelvin degrees, and our battery looks fully charged. You change your color temperature right here from 3200K all the way to 5600K daylight. And the intensity, the brightness of the light, this top switch right here, is 100%. Each video light consumes 19.5 watts of power. In the bottom you have your input. If you want to charge up your light, this is the port where you'd plug it in. Okay, so we have brought Annalisa back and I've turned off all the studio lights. The light source you're seeing now is directly from the two Raleno lights. Now they are rated for 650 lux at 1 meter away for each light. And this is video, and it can also be used for photography. We'll take a photo here in a minute. But yeah, this is great for vlogging, YouTube, TikTok, any of your social media. Great light source. Let's go ahead and take a photo, Anna. So there you have it. That's our review of the soft video light kit made by Raleno. We will put a link in the description below where you may purchase these on Amazon.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching.